How to delete Windows Update files in Windows 10 and 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Folders. In Folders, on the left side, you'll find this PC. Click on this PC and then search for Windows. You'll find it on local disk. You'll find Windows. Click on Windows. Then in Windows, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll all the way down till you find Software Distribution. Click on Software Distribution, then click on Download. In here, you'll find all these files. Select one file, then click on Ctrl+A to select all the files. Then simply click on Delete and all the files will be deleted. That's how to delete Windows Update files in Windows 10 and 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.